When it comes to keeping your GM vehicle in top running condition, using the right parts is crucial. The GM Genuine Parts Accessory Drive Belt Idler Pulley is designed to maintain optimal performance, helping to repair noisy idler pulley bearings and ensure smooth operation of your vehicle's accessory drive belt system. This part is crafted to the exact specifications of GM engineers and is rigorously tested to meet or exceed OE standards. As part of the accessory drive belt system, the idler pulley plays a key role in diverting the drive belt to essential components like the alternator, water pump, or power steering pump. With its sealed ball bearing and robust construction, the GM Genuine Parts Idler Pulley is built to last, ensuring reliable performance and long service life. Over time, idler pulleys on vehicles like your GM may wear out, especially after extended use. If you have a Duramax or other GM vehicles with around 140,000 miles, it's worth inspecting the pulley. Signs of wear, such as play or noise when turning the pulley, indicate it's time for a replacement. By choosing GM Genuine Parts, you're ensuring your vehicle's performance remains at its best. Don't wait for your car's components to fail. Replace your idler pulley with a GM Genuine part and enjoy peace of mind knowing your vehicle's accessory drive belt system is running smoothly. Click the link in the description to buy the GM Genuine Parts Idler Pulley and keep your vehicle performing like new.